Yes. A very good evening to all. Myself, Ms. Arpita, Faculty of Button But Tutorials. I will be handling Navodaya, Sainik as well as RMS classes. Well, my dear students, from morning tired of right? Attending special classes. See Sankal face expression now. Isn't it Sankal? Sankpal.
Ma'am, no, ma'am, I was just my lip was paining and I got hurt, ma'am. So I was doing.
Okay. From morning, you people attended special class, right? Yes.
Yes,
Tired
ma'am.
of.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, your B3 students, right? Your portion set to complete. You have to write your exam, right? So it is like that. Okay. Okay, students. No need to worry. We'll teach you first, and after completing this, I'll leave you first. Okay. Yes, take your books, pen, mute yourself. Everyone, I want you people to mute yourself first. Yes, mute yourself, everyone. Yes, a very good evening to all. Yes, yes, guys, in last class, take your books now. In the last class, we were doing chapter called classification. So before solving today's class, let me revise you first. Okay, so classification is nothing but they will be given with 4 words. In that, 3 will be sharing a common properties or a features except one. So what is our work is to? Our work is to, we have to take out which does not belongs to the group. Okay, when come to the classification, so we have 3 types of classification. What is that? The first one is word classification. The second one is number classification. And the third one is letter or alphabet classification.
Excuse me, ma'am, I can't see the screen. I can only see white.
Yeah, I have shared the same. Okay, so
Ma'am, I can't see you, ma'am.
yes, today you can't see me. I have disabled my video. Okay, so yes, now quite everyone will start this session. So guys, listen to me. We have learned word classification. Again, word classification is nothing but they will give you with the 4 words. In that, 3 will be sharing a common properties or a features except one. In that, you have to take out which does not belongs to the group. And whereas second one we have learned with a number classification. Okay, what is that second type of classification? The second type of classification is number classification, and we have solved many problems on that. To solve number classification, you have to thorough with square numbers, cube numbers, tables, and then basic arithmetic. Let's move on to a third type of classification, that is letter or alphabet classification. Okay, in that I have already solved some few problems. In this session, we'll solve few more chapter questions and we'll wind up the chapter. Okay, yes, take down the next question. Let's take down the next question now. The last class we have solved with MORB, right? Now take down the next question. Okay, take down the question along with me. When I'm solving, please do look at the screen. Don't write. I'll give enough time to write. And if you have any doubt, don't hesitate to ask your doubts. Now what is that? Now the direction is you have to take out which does not belongs to the group. Take down option A, that is DBCA. Whereas option B, ZYXW. Option C, SRPQ. And option D, HG. And Shreya, let me know what I'm going to first. Let me know, Shreya. You're told no, you're going too fast. Let me know, Shreya. what I'm going first, what I told, stay with see before chatting to in the session or telling anyone. Okay, you have to make sure that what you are telling in the chat session. Okay, you're going to first means let me know what is that, please, madam. Yes, Shreya, you have to answer me now. Now I have solved the question. What is that? I have to tell classification. You're a new student. If you're not attended, it's not my problem. We'll attend you that. Okay. My voice is so fast today. I think no. Yeah. Bhagya, what you are doing in the last class, Bhagya? Classification. So the next problem, take down the odd word from the given option. What is the direction? Take odd one out. So guys, let me see how to solve this problem now. See here, how to do this problem? No. See here, this is A, B, C, D. Let me try with the reverse. See, the first word is A, B, C, D. So the logic is reverse, right? And this one, W, X, Y, Z. W, X, Y, Z. Even this is also reverse. Okay. Next one, P, what they have given? Q, P, R, S. Is it in the format? Is it in the format, guys? No. This one, E, F, G, H. So it is also in the reverse. So what is the odd one out? Therefore, option C. What is the reason? In option A, option B, and then option D, the given letters is in reverse format. This is now A, B, C, D. Okay, W, X, Y, Z, E, F, G, H. But it should be P, Q, R, S, whatever the order it is. So it is messed up, right? So therefore, option C is your answer. What is the logic? The logic is reverse. Is there any doubt now? If you have any doubt, let me know. And if you have no doubt also, let me know in the chat session. And one more, so you have to follow me in my class. Before answering, it doesn't mean that answering is wrong. See, tell only one time. Okay. Option C is your answer. Yes, tell only one time. No need to tell the same answer 4 times or 5 times. Okay. Yes, guys, is there any doubt now? Is there any doubts? No doubt? Yes, take down first now. Take down. No? Good. Yes, Kishan, it's answer C. Good. We'll move on to the next one. See, students, you have to speed up your writing. Why? Because see, you are B3 students, right? You have, I mean, for the exam, only few days are remaining and still we have so many chapters. Okay, if you're taking an hours to write each question, it should be a year to complete your portions. That's why you have to take down, speed up your writing. See, if you're not able to write at that particular time, do one thing, take a screenshot. After the class, now you have many time to do that, right? You can write. Otherwise, understand the concept, write only the logic. Everything will be uploaded in the app. We'll move on to the next question. Shreya, is it fine now? Yes, take down the next question now. So the next question, the same thing, take out the odd one. Your questions are Option A, H, K, I. Option B, U, X, V. Option C, C, F, D. And option D, M, Q, N. Is how to solve this? How to solve this, students? Okay, I'll teach you. Yeah. Shreya, it's not about sorry. Like I was telling, like classification, I was doing from past 3 classes the same thing. So I have revised that. So I was little fast in that. The problems will teach slowly only. Yes, everyone stop writing now. Listen to me. Now, let me take a first option. H, K, I. Okay, guys, H to K. What is the difference between now? H to K. In that, like previous problem, I taught you how to solve the difference. Okay, you have to leave the first letter or the last letter. So H to K. G, H, I, J, K. Let me leave it H only. So we have how many letters? We have 3 letters, right? Next, K to I. So what is that? K to I means reverse of that. So it is how many letters? -2. Am I right? So it is now K to I -2. We'll come to the option B now. So it is U, X, V. U to X, what is the difference? Again, +3. And then X to V, it is -2. Let me solve CFD. C, F, D, C to F. What is the difference? Again, it is +3. F to D, again it is -2. Let me take this one now. M, Q, N. So guys, M to Q, what is the difference here? M, N, O, P, Q. Leave it M. So 1, 2, 3, 4. It is +4. Q to N. See, leave it Q. 1, 2, 3. So it is -3. So therefore, what is the answer now? Therefore, option, which is the answer now? Option D is your answer. Why? The rest all follows +3 -2 +3 -2. But option D follows +3 -3. Okay. So +4 -3. See here? +3 -2 +3 -2 +3 -2. 3 are same, but one is different. What is that? +4 and then -3. Therefore, option D is your answer. Everyone got how to solve? Is there any doubts? Yes, take down. Yes, take down. Finished. No need to write when I'm teaching. See, when I'm writing, if you keep on writing, no, you are not able to understand the concept there. Let me move on to the next question now. Stick down the next question. Take out a odd one. Okay. Again, option A, D, C, E, B. Option B, P, N, Q, S, T. Option C, V, K, H, G, M. Okay, Bhagya, no issues. Option D, W, P, WP, Z, Z, L, H. Okay. See, You will only tell, ma'am, is it so easy? Okay. Listen now, how to solve this one, no? I hope I'm audible. Am I right? So, guys, nothing. Listen here. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many letters are there? 4 letters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, next 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The last one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, what is the answer now? So, therefore, option B, option C, option D, or having 5 letters, and then option A, it is having 4 letters. Therefore, what is the answer? Option A is your answer, student. And this one I want to tell you, see, I will solve each and every problems in the exam. You have to apply all the problem. It doesn't mean that it is waste of time. So how you have to prepare, you I'll give assignment after each and every chapter. We'll write a test and then assignment. Whatever will give, no, it is more than enough to practice. You should keep on practice. You all know the quotes, right, guys? Practice makes man perfect. Have you ever heard this? See, until you practice, no, how you people know ABCD now? Why? Because you have learned from LKG, right? So without mistake, you will do it. In the same way, this also you have to practice. See, the first, if you get the question paper, you are not able to understand from which type it is. You have to speed up and you have to like check with all the methods. Okay. Yes, take down fast. Is there any doubts? No? Good. The last question for this particular chapter. Let me see now. Take out the odd one. Option A. Okay. Option A. Amok, you have a doubt? Yes, Amok.
Ma'am, I was in the last option. Can you show, ma'am?
Yeah. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Enough.
Yes, okay. Let's take down the next one. The last question for this chapter. TUVX. Okay. And option B. OPRS. Option C. BCDF. Okay. Option D. HIJL. So you should understand. At this time, you should understand. Amog, raise on your hand. C. T after U. U after V. V after 2 letters. What is that? X. So that is +1 +1. Okay, +2. P after O after P. P after R. R after +2. It is yes. B after C. C after D. D after +2. F. Okay. And then, so RS will get for this RS now. Check. Check for RS now. I'll solve for this one. H after I. I after J. J after +2. It is K. Now, this one. What is this P? P after Q, right? OP. Okay, OP. I should get Q here. So they have given R. So this one is wrong. Therefore, option B is your answer. Did you understood? Is there any doubt? Vrishank. Yes, Vrishank.
Ma'am, how can HIJK you did plus 2? No, ma'am. There will be HIJK only. That is wrong.
HIJL it is. Good. HIL, not K. While writing, I did mistake. HIL. Very good. It is plus 2. Yes, guys, this completes your classification chapter. Now, take down fast. Take down. So, students, keep in mind, after learning the new chapter, you should not forget the previous chapters. Okay, because one and another will be having the chain link. For example, how you learn LKG will be the basic for UKG. In the same way, analogy. If you know analogy, it is a very basic to solve your classification. If you know classification, the very next chapter I'll teach you now. And for all the students in the class, is there any doubts in classification chapter? For everyone? Is there any doubt? No. Everyone completed? Okay, guys. Hope you all understood this chapter. So, listen now. Don't write anything. Just close your book and listen to me. Okay. The very next chapter, chapter number 3. Okay. Chapter number 3, what we have. Chapter number 3, what we have is nothing but series. It is not serial. Okay, it is series, not serial or serious. It is chapter number 3, series. What is meant by series now? I'll tell you the definition of series, the types of series, and we'll solve the problem. A little bit difficult chapter. Students, keep in mind, intelligence is not so easy. What do you mean by intelligence? No, intelligence is nothing but the combination of your math. Yes, Bhagya, you can. Okay, series is nothing but the combination of mathematics as well as your intelligence. Okay, the combination of mathematics as well as intelligence. How you will use the intelligence. Okay, how you will use the brain. This is why they are asking. So series, what do you mean by series? No, listen now, this particular chapter, it is applicable for Sainik as well as RMS also, but not for Navodaya. The students who opted Navodaya, no, you will be not having this chapter. So it is applicable for Sainik and then RMS, both the school. Okay, student, series. What do you mean by series? No, series is nothing but continuous. What do you mean by series now? Series is nothing but continuous. So how to solve question and answers on series? They will be given with a continuous numbers or a letters. Okay. So what do you mean by series? continuous, or also we can call it as sequence. What is that? Also we can call it as sequence. What do you mean by series? Series is nothing but continuous, or also one word we can call it as sequence. Okay, and let me teach you now how they will give you the questions. So students, they will give you the sequence of series. What do you mean by sequence? No, see, for example, they will give you like this one. So any number, for example, 2, 4, 6, 8, and they will give you the question mark. This is what series. See, this is continuous. Okay, this is the line. The question given in the line is continuous. So what you people should do is, you people should find out the logic for this now. Okay, what you have to do, you have to find out the logic. What is the logic now? No, see here, 2, 4, 6, 8. What is the 2, 4, 6, 8? We all know that 2, 4, 6, 8, the set of even numbers, right? So the next one is 10. That's all. So that is what you have to be very quick in mathematics. If you know mathematics, tables, square numbers, what is even number, odd number, then only you can able to solve intelligence. That is what I said you, right? Intelligence is not so easy. So see, this is what, how they will give you the question. Series is nothing but your continuous. Okay, series is nothing but continuous order, and then, or also it is called it as sequence. How they will give the question in series? So they will be given with a continuous words or a letters, and they will given with a question mark. So what we have to do, we have to find out the logic for that particular series, and we have to complete that question mark. If you want to say simple, it is like missing letter. Okay, you have to find out the missing letter. You have to find out the logic, and you have to find out the missing letter. Is there any doubt in series now? The definition of series, how they will give you the series? No, right? Everyone in this session? Okay. In series, you have two types of series. Okay, what are the two types? No, in series, you have two types of series. The first one is number series. What is that? The first one is number series. Same as analogy and then classification, but there is no word series or, okay, number series. The second one is alphabet. Alphabet, or you can tell both also, alphabet, alphabet, or letter series. How many types of series? There are two types of series. The first one is number series, whereas the second one is alphabet or the letter series. So student, that is what, after learning the each and every chapter, you people should practice it. Okay, you people should practice. See, until unless you, if you won't practice, you're not able to find out the logic there. See, analogy, it will be having chain link to classification, and it is chain link to series. If you forget, oh, ma'am done with analogy, yes, throw the papers of analogy. See, if you do like that, no, you can't able to understand anything in series. You have to follow up each and every chapter. Okay, so series is nothing but continuous or a sequence. Okay, and then how to find out that? They will be given with a series. In that, they will be given with a question mark. So we have to find out the logic for that particular series, and we have to fill that question mark. So simply we have to tell that series is nothing but simply that is missing letters, filling the missing letters. And we all know that in that there are two types of series. The first one is letter series, whereas the second one is alphabet or first one is number series, the second one is alphabet or letter series. Is there any doubt now? So will not waste the time. So students, let us solve question. What is meaning of series? Bhagyashree, come on Bhagyashree. Series is nothing but continuous. Okay. Series is nothing but continuous. So guys, will not waste the time now. Question number 1. Look at the question. Your question is 5, 6, 9, 14, 21, and then question mark. We'll solve our question and answers on number series. Now, what you have to do, see, no need to write now. I'll give a time for writing. First, understand the steps. Okay. Yes, you have to write the question and answers, but as of now, no need to write. Just listen to me. So, students, for all series chapter, no, what you have to do, the very first step is to take down the question as it is. Okay. Whatever the given question, take down the question as it is. What you have to do, the very next step is, after seeing the question, you have to take down the question as it is. Now what you have to do, step number 2, start comparing between each and every terms. What do you mean by comparing, ma'am? I'll do it now. See, 5 to 6, what is the difference now? Plus 1. 5 after 6. And then 6 to 9. What is the difference? 6, 7, 8, 9. Leave it 6. It is 3. And then 9 to 14. What is the difference now? Plus 5. And then 14 to 21 plus 7. So students, keep in mind, what is this numbers now? You all know the basics, right? 1, 3, 5, 7. What is that 1, 3, 5, 7? 1, 3, 5, 7. Set of odd numbers. Very good. Set of odd numbers. So what is the next odd number? So add plus 9. 20 plus 9. 21 plus 9 will be 30. Yes, Pratham. It is 31. So 21 plus 9 will be 30. So what is the logic? The logic is the set of odd numbers. This is how you have to solve question and answers on series. Is there any doubts in this problem now? Everyone, see, if you have any doubts, let me know. No? Yes, take down now. Yes, take down, take down.
Excuse me, ma'am, I have a doubt, ma'am.
Tell Rishan.
Ma'am, we can take numbers like 1 plus 2 is equal to 3 and 3 plus 2 is equal to 5 and 5 plus 2 is equal to 3 and 7 plus 2 is equal to 9. Ma'am, plus 2 is also logic, ma'am.
See, 5 plus 2 will be 6.
No, ma'am.
Then
Ma'am, I'm telling downwards, ma'am. Plus 1 plus 2 equals to 3 and 3 plus 2 equals to 5 and 5 plus 2 equals to 7. That's, ma'am.
You can't take. See, we are finding the answer, man. For answer only, why you are taking again? It is the answer.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Mute yourself. Yes, take down first, everyone. Okay, we'll move on to the next one now. Question number 2. Question number 2. Take down question number 2. See 1, 3, 9, 27, 81, and then question mark. What is my first step now? My very first step is take down the series as it is. So 27 and then 81 question mark. So see guys. So what is that? 1 into 3 will be 3 only. And then 3 into 3. 3 3s are 9. 9 into 3. 9 3s are 27. 27 into 3. 27 into 3. 7 3s are 21. 2 carry. 3 2s are 6 plus 1. 2. It is 81. 81 into 3. What is the answer? 81 into 3. So 3 1s are 3, 3 8s are 24. So it is 243. What is the answer? 243. So what is the reason there? Multiplication of 3s. What is the logic? Multiplication of 3. Okay, of 3 with the previous one. Okay, with previous one. This is the logic. See, we all know that 1 into 3. 1 3s are 1 3s are 3. Okay, 3 into 3, 9. 9 into 3, 27. 27 into 3, 81. 81 into 3, 243. Okay, did you understood? Yes, Bhagya, 1 minute. Can you show previous? Yes, 1 minute will show. Stick down first.
Ma'am, the screen is full black, ma'am. I can't see, so can I rejoin, ma'am?
Stick down first. Wait, Bhumika, others are writing.
Ma'am, the screen is stuck, ma'am.
Shivani, that's because of your internet stable, Shivani.
Okay, ma'am. Can I leave and rejoin, ma'am?
Yes, dear, you can. We'll move on to the next one now. Yes, Vedhav Patil. One minute, 1 minute. Yes, Pa. Vedhav.
Hello, ma'am.
Hmm.
Ma'am, can you hear me?
Yes, sir, I can hear you.
Ma'am, first total answer what, ma'am?
Total answer ra. It not like total answer. You have to find out the logic. 1 to 3, 5 to 6. What is the difference? Plus 1. 6 to 9. What is the difference? Plus 3. Next one. 9 to 14. What is the difference? Plus 5. So series continues. 1, 3, 5, 9. What is that? That is all the set of even numbers, right?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, but can you circle that 13, ma'am?
3, 0, 30. 21 plus 9. What is the answer?
30.
Hmm.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes, Amok.
ma'am, for 1 minute I'll be off my video, ma'am, and disconnect my phone.
Yes, you can. That you can ask in
Okay.
the chat session only, right? Yes. We'll move on to the next one. And who is that? No? Who is that? Vishank. Why, man? Are you all right? Huh? Vishank? Are you all right, Vishank? Why you are sending that
Ma'am,
and all in the chat? Yes, tell sir.
Ma'am, your voice was low, ma'am.
Yes, my voice is
Became
low.
clear.
Yes. It will be proper now. Vishank, you go to toilet, so the message came there. Oh, come on, man. So it was the magic, right? Yes, we'll move on to the next problem. Take down the problem number 3 now. So the next problem, 71, 56, 71, okay, 55, 55, 46, 42, and then question mark. The next one, 71, 55, 46, 42, question mark. So guys, hope you all know that. Yes, I hope now it's clear. Hope you all know that. See, when they given with a bigger number and smaller number, what we have to play a operation there? Which operation we have to do there? Which operation we have to go with? We all know that it is a basic mathematics. See, this you have to understand. Though, what is my first step now? My first step is take down the question as it is. 71, 55, 46, 42, and then question mark. So students, see, hope you all know that this is a basic. When they given with a bigger number and the series is keep on decreasing, it understood that we have to do a subtraction. If it is not only for series, it's for all basic mathematics. When they given with a bigger number and followed by the smaller numbers, what is the operation we have to do it? We have to do a subtraction. Now I want you people to know the answer. So 7, let me compare it. 71 minus 55. What is that? So 71 minus 55. It is 16. Right. Now 55 minus 46. What is the answer? What is the answer now? 9. And then 46 minus 42. What is the answer? 4. So the next one, what we have to do? See, what is this? 16 can be written as 4 square. 9 can be written as 3 square. And then this one we can written as 2 square. So 1 square is 1. 46 42 minus 1 will be 41. Did you understood? The question is based on square numbers. Okay, what is the square numbers now? Hope you all know that. See, you may ask now, ma'am, how you will come to know that it is a square number? It should. Why? Because like that itself I said you, right? You have to learn square numbers. See, 16, 9, 4. It is continuous, right? 4 square is equals to 16. 3 square is equals to 9, and then 2 square is equals to 4. So it's obviously you have to find square. 1 square. 1 square will be 1 only. 42 minus 1. So 42. Next one, it is 1. So what is the answer? Therefore, it is 41. So what is the logic? The series of your square numbers. Is there any doubts? Is there any doubts for everyone? Vedhav Patil. Yes. Yes, Vedhav.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, sir. I can hear you.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, sir. I can hear you. Tell.
Hello, ma'am.
Vedhav, I can able to hear
Hello,
you.
ma'am.
Tell.
Ma'am, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
No.
What? Wait, Bhumika. Wait. Yes, Vedhav. Tell now. Sit where the network is available. No, your internet is too low.
Ma'am, now?
Yes, now it's proper. Tell.
Ma'am, no. How we know that it's square numbers only, ma'am?
See, 16, 9, 4. What is that? If you learn square numbers, you could have known that. Huh?
Ma'am, I know, ma'am, but first it is just 16. Second, 9 is there, ma'am.
4 square 16. 3 square 9. 2 square 4. Yes, 16, 9, 4. Huh?
Ma'am, and down is there 1 now, ma'am.
Hey, come on, man. See, next you have to find out this only. Why you are so confused, Veda? You have to find out this only. See, 71 minus 55. What is the answer? 16. So next one, 55 minus 46. So what is the answer? 9. And then 46 minus 42. It is 4. So if you get the logic for this only, you can able to do it for the next number. So what is that? 4. 16.
Yeah.
16 means 4 square. So next one 3. 3, 9 means 3 square. 4 means 2 square. So next you have to do with 1 square. Did you understood, Veda?
Yes, ma'am. No.
Yeah, okay, good. Yes, Bhumika, take down fast. Take a screenshot. No. Take down fast. We'll move on to the next one. Next one is easy. Okay, take down the next one. Question number 4. So students, listen here. 2, 22, 222, and then 222. What is the answer? Is there any logic, guys? Easily you can do it. 2 for 1 time, 2 for 2 time, 2 for 3 time, 2 for 4 time. So 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. 5 times 2. Very easy, right? See, 1 time. Okay, 1 time, 2 time, and then 3 time. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, fourth time. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it is 5 toes. Okay, this type of question will not give, but you have to know actually. Okay. Is there any doubt? Let's take down. Yes. Let me move on to the next one. Okay, guys. Write down the next problem. 3, 7, 13, 21, question mark. So what is my first step? As I told you, the first step is take down the series as it is. 7, 3, 7, 13, 21. What is my second step? Start comparing 3 to 7. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Leave it 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is plus 4. And then 7 to 13. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it is plus 6. And then 13 to 28. It is, you all know that it is plus 8. So next one. See what is this? 2, 4, 6, 8. 4, 6, 8. Set off. Set off. Even numbers. What's my next even number? So 21 plus 10 will be 21 plus 10 will be 31. So what is the logic? The set of even numbers. Is there any doubts? Is there any doubts now? Let's take down. My voice is low. I think now it will be proper. Is there any doubt? Yes. Take on fast. Take down the next problem. Take down along with me only. I mean, when I'm solving, please look at you. Okay, guys. 100. Okay, 50, 52, 26, 28. Question mark. Okay, so what is my first step now? My first step is stick down the question as it is. So 100, 50, 52, 26, 28. And this is question mark. Okay, you stick down the question as it is. Okay. Take down the question as it is. So now 100 to 50. What is the difference now? See, 100, it should be 20. Okay, it should be 20. Sorry, it should be 50. How it can be? Yes, Rishant, you can drink. See now, 100. If I add, if I do minus 50, it will be 50. So guys, see, one thing you have to maintain throughout the series, you should not change the logic. So guys, let me see. 100 divided by 2 will get 50, right? Yes. Now 50 plus 2 will be 52. 52 by 2. 52 by 2. 2 twos are 4. 1 carry and then 2. 2 6 are 12. So it is divided by 2. 26 plus 2, 22. And then 28 divided by 2. What is that? 28 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2, 0. And then 8, 2 fours are 8. So it is 14. So the series follows division 2 plus 2. And one more, we have a logic. The logic is you should not change the numbers. Okay, if you are divide by 2, divide with 2, next number you have to follow the same. Don't change the number. Okay, is there any doubts? Yes, take down. Yes, is there any doubt? Yes, guys, take down first. Finished? Take down the next problem. Next problem, 4, 9, 20, 23, and then question mark. Now, what is my first step now? My first step is take down the question as it is. Okay. 4, 9, 20, 23. Guys, now, so see now 4 and 9. How to do now? See, 4 and 9, if we add, yes, 4 plus 5 will get 9. But if I add same 5, I will not get 20. Right? What we have to do in this time? We have to apply 2 operation. Okay, I'll apply. See now, don't write. Everyone listen to me. 4 2s are 8. Am I right? 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 1 will be 9. Okay. 4 2s are 8. Okay. 8 plus 1 will be 9. The second one. See. 9 and 20. Okay. So 9 into 2 plus 2. 9 2s are 18. Okay. 18 plus 2 will be 20. And then 20 into 2. Okay, what is that? 20 into 2 will be 60. So, no, 20 into 3. What is the answer now? 20, 0, 3 2s are. What is the answer? 20 into 3. Come on, 3 2s are. It is 43. Yes, it is 43. 29, 9, 20, 43. Yes, see, 20 into 2, 40. 40 plus 3, 43. Okay, 43. Now, the next one you have to do. 40 into 2. What is the answer? 40 into 2. 0. 4 2s are 8. 80 plus 4 will be 84. That's all. Okay. 42. Sorry. 43 into 2. Okay. 43 into 2. What is the answer? 3 2s are 6. And then 2 4s are 8. 86 plus 4 will be 90. So it will be 90. This is called by operation. What do you mean by by? No, by means two operations. Okay, two operation. Applying a two operation to get the answer. Is there any doubts? Is there bit difficult? Solpa kasta. It's very bit difficult, but it is very easy. Yes,
Ma'am, the screen is full black, ma'am.
That's your internet problem. Leave the this one session and join.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, sit on first, everyone. See, guys, you are new students. No, you should understood that if the screen is black and then you are not able to hear me, your chat session is not available. It means that you have to leave the session and you have to join again. Okay. Let's take down first. Did you understand this problem? Yes, take down first. We'll move on to the next problem now. We'll move on to the next problem. Take down the next problem. 42, 21, 34, 17, 26, question mark. Okay. 1 minute. What, Srinidhi?
Ma'am, can you show the last slide?
Hmm.
Done.
So, take down the question as it is. Okay. So, 42, 21, 34, 70, and then 26. Guys, 41 should become 21. Okay. So, what is the answer? 21. So, 1 and then 2. Again, if I do 21, 34 minus 21. So, will I get the same number? No. So, I should not do subtraction. So, what I should do now? So, let me do it. 42 divided by 2. What is the answer? 2 2s are 4. 0, 2 1s are 2. So 21 divided by 2. The next one. So 21 and 30. What is that? Next two number. So this one we have completed, right? Take these two numbers. 26, 34 and then 17. Okay, these two numbers and these two numbers. Pair numbers. Okay. And then 37. And we all know that 17 2s are 34. And then 26 divided by 2 will be, what is the answer? It is 30. So divide by 2. Is there any doubts? Division. Take down first. Take down first. Completed or still writing? Completed. Yes. Yes. Take down the next problem. The next problem is 8, 7, 16, 21, 32, and then 63. Yes, Ganika. So next one, question mark. So what is my first step as usual? Where my first step is to take down the question as it is. Okay, take down the question as it is now. A bit difficult, but I'll teach you twice. Okay, I'll teach you twice so that you can understand easily. Okay, so what is my very first step now? Take down the question as it is. Okay, what is that question now? That is 8, 7, okay, 16, 21. Yes, Aditi, kind of good analysis. 63 question mark. So in this time, what you have to do? No, see guys, it is very easy. Compare with first term and then fourth term, second term and fourth term, or to 1 to 3 and then 2 to 4. It doesn't mean that 1 to 3, odd to odd, even to even places. Okay, what you have to do? Compare odd to odd, even to even places. See, 8 and 16. Okay, let me take another one. Let me take green. 7 and 21. Okay, next one. What you have to compare now? 16 and 32. Okay, 16 and 32. And compare with 21 and 63. So next, see, 8 into 2 will be 16. 7 into 3 will be 21. 16 into 2 will be 32. And then 21 into 3 will be, see here, 21 into 3, 3 ones are 3, and then 3 twos are 6. So what is the answer now? 32 into 2. What is the answer? 32 into 2. 2 twos are 4. 4 twos are 6. 3 twos are 6. That is 64. This is what? And the combination of multiplication of 6 table and 7 ones are the combination of 6 and then 7 table. Is there any doubt? For everyone, is there any doubts? Is there any doubts now? You can drink. My voice is breaking. Okay. We'll correct it. We'll move on to the last problem. Can you explain it again? Okay, Ganika, listen now. Take down the question as it is. Okay. Compare with odd to odd place. See, I mean 1 to odd to odd means 1, 3, 5. Compare that places. You see 1, 3. Okay. 3 and then 5. 5 and then 7. So compare with like that. So 1 to 3, 3, 1 to 3, 3 to 5. And then 5 to 7. These are the odd numbers. In the same way, 2 to 4, 4 to 6, and then 6 to 8. Okay. This is now first and third term. 8 and 16. 8 twos are 16. Third and fifth term. 16 twos are 32. 32 twos are. It is 32 into 2, it is 64, right? Next one. Second term to fourth term. See here. 7 twos, 7 threes are 21. And then 21 and then 4 to 6 term. 21 into 3. That is 63. That is the combination of table 6 and 7. Understood, Ganika? Yes. Okay, the last problem for the class. Take down. 8, 8, 7, 16, 16, 21, 21, and then 32, 32, 63. Yes, guys, how to do that? So listen to me now. We'll teach you that. So what is that? Done this? Oh, why you man? Yes, 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 no problem. So that's why you're raising your hands. Let me know the reason. Huh? That anyone have told, right? That's why you have raised your hand, everyone. Okay, no issues. Okay, everyone raised on your hand. Okay, guys, is there any doubts in whatever the problem we have solved today? Today we have started with a chapter called series. Series is nothing but the continuous, or also we can call it as sequence. And how they will give you the question? They will give you a series and followed by question mark. So what is your work is to? Your work is to, you have to fill that series. You have to find out logic and you have to fill. In that there are two types of series. The first one is number series. The second one is alphabet or letter series. In this session, we have solved question and answers on number series. In the next class, we'll solve few more problems on number series and we'll move on to the letter or alphabet series. And before that, I want to tell you something. And tomorrow will be a special class. Whatever the timing you have attended, no? All the three classes. So first class, what is the first class you have attended? What is the first class you have attended now? The same timing. Even tomorrow also you have the special class. Okay, even tomorrow also you have special class, and tomorrow there will be no evening classes. Okay, tomorrow there will be no evening classes, only my classes will be there. Okay, so take down tomorrow schedule. So what is that tomorrow? What you have so what are the special classes you have today? That is 4 p.m. to 4 p.m. to 6. Okay, no, sorry, 4 p.m. to 5:30 mathematics. Okay, 4:30 to mathematics, and then my classes. Okay, my classes tomorrow. These are the two special classes in the evening, and even in the morning you also have current affairs and then science. No, the same thing. Whatever you have the classes today will be the same. First you have morning science and then current affairs. No, so science you have at 8:30. Tomorrow also you will be having at 8:30, and then current affairs you have at 10:30, and again the evening classes. Both, whatever the same schedule, whatever the classes has been allotted for today, tomorrow also there will be a same classes. Okay, and then you should not join from that link only. We'll share you another link. Okay, I'll share you another link. No need to join from that link. Tomorrow morning I'll share you the link. Is there any doubts now? Is there any doubts? Whatever the classes you have today, the same. So morning you have science and then current affairs, evening you have maths and then intelligent. Same timing, everything, but link will be different. Tomorrow morning I'll share you the link as well as the announcement. Please join 5 minutes prior to your session. Hope you all understood my today's session. Happy weekend too. Bye bye. Take care. Sweet dreams. Bye bye. Yeah, thank you all. Bye bye.